Okay. Cool. Almost fell there. Hey guys, look at what just came in the post. I've got a new RGB light that I'm going to be using for my videos, and I'm excited. All right, let's go get this baby set up. All right, let's unbox this thing. So over here we've got the instruction manual, guarantee card. It comes with a 1-year warranty, which is quite nice and helpful. Look at the size of this thing. It's tiny. Look at that. It fits in the palm of my hand. It's about the size of a credit card. Look at that. Okay. What else comes in the box? Let's see. We've got the USB to USB-C cable. And I believe that's it. Look at this tiny little thing. You've got your hole for mounting on using a screw, USB-C port, a dial to change intensity, and another dial to change the type of light. It's got a nice metal solid feel to it. Got the on button here, another button here. Okay, let's get started. Let's put this thing on. Ooh, look at that. That is beautiful. That is quite beautiful. Okay, you can see the LCD here as well. Let's try varying some things. So let's change this. Ooh, look at that. Can change the color. Ooh, I do like these colors. Wonderful. Okay. And you can see the screen changing up there as I change things. Now, we can decrease the intensity as well. So make it less bright if we need to. Okay, so that's 1% intensity, and that's still quite strong. Really like this. Okay, so if you wanted white light, you just press the M button on top here. You can get white light. You can also increase the brightness. This is 100% brightness. You can also decrease it all the way to 1%. Even at 1%, it's still pretty good. Prepare to be blinded. Ooh, look at that. Look at that beauty. And there you have it, the Seymour Vibe P96L. It's a really cool light. Okay, let's switch this off. So I'm testing out the RGB light that I got today, and I really like it. First of all, I've got a key light just up above over there, just to give me some light on me. And then I've got the RGB light just behind me, changing colors, and I think it looks really cool. I'm looking forward to improving my video setup. I think it's going to start looking really, really cool.